Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Word open and a photo saved. Good. First, go to Insert, pick Pictures, then choose this device or online pictures depending on where your file lives. Click the image to insert it. Word places it inline by default so text alignment stays predictable. Once inserted, make sure the file appears at the right approximate spot. If not, hit undo and try inserting at your cursor location. This quick start gets the image into the document so you can edit and format next. Now fine-tune the image. Grab a corner handle and drag to resize, hold Shift to preserve aspect ratio, which prevents stretching. For unwanted parts, use picture format and crop, drag edges or set exact dimensions in the size pane. To integrate the image with text, choose Wrap Text. Square or tight keeps text flowing around the photo, behind text lets it be a background, and in front places it above other content. Once done, use Position presets to anchor the image on the page. To finish, open picture format for adjustments. Tweak brightness, contrast, or recolor to match your layout. Apply a style or border for polish. If the document gets large, use Compress Pictures and pick a resolution. High for print, 150-220 ppi for screen. Save your work as docx and export to PDF if sharing. If the image looks low-res or disappears, check link to File, vs. Embedded Images and reinsert or embed the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.